AntMyERP.
The video is about taking the backup of AntMyERP data on Google Drive. Before taking backup on Google Drive, need to purchase the Google Drive. For purchase, go to Settings. Click on Settings, Marketplace is visible here. On Marketplace, multiple options are seen. New features can be purchased here. There is a backup solution. Click on Order Now. This inquiry will go to our sales team. Sales team shall guide you and activate the same. After activation, go the Google Drive backup. It will ask you how many days you want to take backup, client ID, client secret, and client token. You will get all these details from your Google browser. Go to Google browser. Activate its parameters and settings. Here you get the client ID, client secret, and client token. After activating all these, it will in which folder you want to take backup. Mention the path of the folder that will be created in Google Drive. Save it. On saving it, click on Backup Upload Files. Backup upload files means all the types of files have been uploaded on AntMyERP, like a report, a document, etc. All these files will be downloaded through this file and will go to your drive. The backup data and our transaction data will be seen here. We just have to make sure that whatever backup we are taking, there should be enough space in the Google account. If space is less, backup won't be completed. For example, the Google account has space of 25 gigabytes. And your AntMyERP backup is 100 gigabytes. This backup will not be possible. In this way, the backup of the AntMyERP can be taken on your Google Drive. Thank you.